Do you know what is confidence and why do we need to more confidence? Okay, confidence is one kind of radar, and this way we can reach our goals. And confidence is most important for developing our goals and reach our destination. So today I will describe about how can we get more confidence. The very first thing of follow through. More importantly, you will respect yourself if you are going to do something and you do it, because you know you can do everything and you can believe yourself, and even you know that you are not afraid of the work. And second point is think long term. You know that big goals require big sacrifice. If you want to save money, then you don't go outside for eating much thing. And if you want to study a big university, then you can't spend your time bad way. And if you want to lose your weight, then you don't eat french fry or unhealthy food. So I think that if you thinking your goal a long time, so can you can do it a long time, because that time you need to require yourself and you can sacrifice your many kinds of things from your life, then you can reach your goals. Third point is don't care what other think. There are going to be so many people who will tell you can't accomplish your goal. And some people, and when you listen this your negative feedback from your employees, from your friends and your family, that time you will thinking maybe your goal is big. But I recommended you, don't don't care about their words, because some people who always neglect you and some people they don't do it, you can do it in your life. So you can know you can do it and you will reach your goals. So every time you should to believe yourself, and you can do your ability. And you know that most people they are always wrong about their goals. And you know every day people change their life and every day change their world. So you should believe yourself and don't care about their words. Fourth point is be fearless. If you have a big goals and if you set a big dream, so that time you thinking maybe you can't do it, but you just look inside yourself, then you encourage yourself, and that time you can do everything, because without confidence and without your goals you can't reach your destination. And you know better than others person, you know you have the ability to do and you can reach your goal. So don't be fearless. Tips number 5: do the right thing. Your action, your decision define your character. So ask yourself, what is the best version of yourself, and what do to be would do it, and do it. Even when that is the very hard time, very hard goals, and you haven't long time that's and but you want to do it, that's mean you are the best sacrifice your goals, and it is the best part. That's why you think the right way. Tips number 6: monitor yourself, and it is the best way to get more confidence. It is the big or small goals. You need to monitor yourself and you know what is the best or what is the bad, because when you think and when you monetize your all work, that time you can find all your fault, all your good side. So that's why you gather more confidence, and it is the best way to the progressing your life. And even when you think it is the not possible, but if you thinking to get your small achievement, and that time you get encourage from them, and then you can do it your next goals. And last point of my view, get thing done. Confidence is built accomplishment. If you get a small achievement, then you feel better about yourself. Even you want to do more thing, so you need to, and you are doing day by day or weekly or three day, you can do it anytime. So you should to get things properly and get more confidence from them. So hopefully guys, you can understand my topic, because confidence is really important for our life, because without confidence you can't do anything, just you are going to bad way. So you need, and you are going to disappointed and depression. So we need more confidence and believe yourself. You can do it guys, you can do it. So thank you so much for watching my video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel.